Autel delivers, once again, the MaxiCharger AC Wallbox for residential use in the US has arrived. You've probably already seen the webpage and even submitted a pre-order, but you haven't seen the real thing yet. Today I'm going to unbox the 40 amp level 2 AC residential charger and give you a first look. Let's check out the box first. It's clean, it's simple. Big bold Autel logo on the top cover. We have a 9.6 kilowatt charger, 40 amps residential use. For the box itself, it's a nice and hefty 25-pound box. You can carry it yourself to the garage or outside, wherever you choose to install it. Let's open it up and see what's inside. The first thing you'll notice is the sleek, dark gray surface. Autel maintains that simple, minimalistic, utilitarian design it's famous for in diagnostics and other automotive products. It's also great to the touch. It's polycarbonate, meaning it's 200 times stronger than glass. It's flexible, well insulated, impact resistant, and weather resistant. Lift the charger out of the box and get a feel for its strength. I love holding this. Like all Autel products, it feels great in my hands. It's not light, it's not something you can just toss around. It's also not too heavy. Anyone can hold it with their own hands and feel the power embedded within. And it's not just a powerful feel, but also a protective feel. It has a NEMA 4 enclosure rating, meaning you can install it indoors or outdoors, making it suitable for any weather condition. Rain, snow, dust, it has complete dust protection. Down at the bottom is the input cable. When you order, you can choose the NEMA 650 or NEMA 1450 plug, depending on which one suits you best. And for the 50 amp hardwired charger, this is the port for the incoming wire. On the top half of the MaxiCharger, we have the green Autel logo, prominent and bright up top. Down here we have status indicator lights for power, internet connection, charging status, and Bluetooth. You can also buy your own RFID cards and pair them in the app if you want to use an RFID card to start and stop charging. On the bottom of the charger, you can insert an Ethernet cable for a wired internet connection. This is the out-of-body holster version, meaning the charging connector will sit in a separate holster that you will install next to the charger. The MaxiCharger also comes with an in-body holster version, so if you choose that one, the charging connector will rest right in the middle of this bottom half area. The separate holster comes in its own box. Let's take it out. It's black with the Autel green circle encompassing the port. Again, another simple design with a beautiful debossed Autel logo up top. When the connector is resting in the holster, there's a mechanism that drops the holster down due to its weight. This ensures that the inner part of the holster doesn't deteriorate or lose strength over time due to the weight of the connector putting excess pressure on it. When the charging connector is inserted, it clicks in the holster. To take it out, just press the mechanism on top and pull it out. The ergonomic J1772 connector conforms perfectly to the natural shape of your hand, with smooth finishes and tactile comfort. The charging cable itself can simply hang around the holster when you're not using it. The other end of the cable will then connect to the charger here in this port. The charging cable is 25 feet long, giving you enough wiggle room to install it anywhere in the garage and still be able to reach your vehicle's charging port. It's durable and powerful, but not so unwieldy that it's impossible to hang around the holster. It coils together nicely for convenient storage when not in use. A great feature of the AC Wallbox is the app functionality. The charger comes with a preloaded with wireless functionality, so you can set it up in the charger's Wi-Fi in the app. All you have to do is head into the app and turn it on. Once it's on, the internet connection light will light up on the charger, and you can use the app to start and stop charging by tapping start and stop in the app. It's intuitive and easy to use. And if you lose internet connection, you can also pair Bluetooth to control charging, along with a bevy of other features like scheduled charging, so you can charge your vehicle during off-peak hours. The packing list, installation guide, and amperage labels are included here. The installation guide is a comprehensive booklet for certified technicians to follow. On the last page, we have a QR code. Download the official Autel Charge app on the App Store or Google Play Store, register, then scan the QR code in the top right corner to bind the charger in your app. Finally, we have the wall dock and the screws needed to install the MaxiCharger in your home garage or wherever you choose to install it. All in all, I'm very excited to give you a first look at Autel's first AC charger for the US. The MaxiCharger AC Wallbox is a 40 amp AC Level 2 smart charger. It's compatible with all EV and hybrid plug-in vehicles. And for more installation and other product videos, subscribe here and get notifications whenever new products are released.